So, hi guys! So, gagawa na kami ng pizza kasamang shake.
Okay. So, kompleto na po tayo sa ating materials. Alright, so now that we're done with all materials, it's time to check with your pizza ingredients. Okay? So, first is your pizza dough. Alright, just place in your pizza dough. And the next is your pizza sauce. Where's your pizza sauce? Alright, so next is your pineapple. So that your pizza becomes sweet and rich and fiber. Okay? Next is where's your ham? Okay, it's also good because it has a protein, good pork, and good muscle. Okay, next is where's your mixed cheese? Yay! Alright, so next is, lastly is your flour. Okay. It seems that we all set to make our delicious Hawaiian pizza. Guys, in making your pizza, just follow Ate Rachel for instruction. Okay? So, can I ask you a question? Are you guys ready to make your own pizza? Okay, so the first step is dust your large pizza tray with the flour, okay? You may step aside the steam and then your large pizza tray, just sprinkle your flour, okay? Okay, like this is, okay? Just follow the instruction of our pizza master. Okay, are you guys ready to the next? Can you see your alright, so okay, so very good. Just thumbs up if you're ready to the next step, okay? How about the boys on the back? Okay? Then girls, thumbs up tayo. Alright. So next is take out your dough ball from its strap, okay? And put it on the center. Don't touch, crumple that. Alright, so kids, don't push. Okay, don't touch the dough ball. And then, wait for another. Wait for the next instruction of Kuya Aldo, okay? Alright, so very good. Yeah, don't touch, don't touch. Okay. Okay. The next step, right? Kids, are you enjoying making pizza? Okay, are you excited for the next step? Okay, the next step is put flour on the top of the dough, okay? Spread it all over the dough, okay? Okay, kids, just put some flour down, okay? Add some flour. And you need to spread it like this. Yeah. Just follow our pizza master. Okay? Are you guys ready for the next step? Okay, just thumbs up if you are ready. Okay? Ready na po tayo sa next step natin.